at that.
They got the police up there. Oh no, that's the ambulance. Yeah, all right, bro. Let me go see what's happening.
Why are people driving in this weather?
Can we help you cross?
We gotta...
That means I gotta cross to you for you to cross over here. Come on, we're gonna help you. Hold up, hold up. I'm gonna help the people, bro. Alright, yo. I'll see you later. Hey.
It's okay, we're coming that way.
Good. Don't worry about it, baby. This is what we here to do, help each other.
Is somebody stuck?
Stuck? You alright? No, we're coming this way. This is the best way to go. Hey,
Our car is this way. It's okay. Come on. Take your time.
Absolutely.
Listen, if I fall, I can get up.
If you fall,
I cannot get up.
come on.
Pass me her umbrella. Got it? Okay. I got it. Get her other hand.
No, it's gonna fall down. There you go.
There you go.
You know I can't get up.
Here you go. Are you going in the car?
No,
Oh.
I'm going to stay.
Okay, well, be careful.
God bless you guys.
God bless you.
Yo, I'm getting cold already. And I stay in Ireland.
Go ahead, boo. Go on.
Huh?
Go upstairs.
Let me see the car.